Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by proving the inversion. Play a clear stereo test track and set the device balance to center. This isolates hardware from software. Once done, visually inspect the cable, plug, and connectors for twists or damage because a crossed cable or bent plug often causes channel swap. Make sure to test on a second device. If left and right still swap, you now have actionable hardware work to do. Get small tools and prepare to open the housing safely. You now open the earphone shells and locate the tiny wires. Use plastic pry tools and steady light because clips and glue are delicate. Once exposed, identify wire color coding. Red usually marks right, blue or green marks left, and bare copper or shield is ground, because knowing this explains why channels swap. If wires are crossed at the driver or at the plug solder points, you will reverse them. Do this carefully to preserve insulation and to prevent shorting the ground. You finish by swapping the two channel wires at the fault point, desolder or untwist, move left to right to left, then insulate properly with heat shrink or low temp glue so contacts don't short. Once reassembled, test using a stereo track and center balance to confirm proper orientation. Make sure to try a second device or source. If inversion persists, check the source balance or any inline controls. If still unresolved, the crossover or driver may be defective.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.